Yes. Was it? Just let it go. Gotcha. And I know originally had some like sciatic pain was the main thing we're coming in for, right?
Yes.
How's that been going? Has that been doing better or about the same?
A lot better. The left has flared up a little bit the last couple of days.
Okay. Like where at? Just point to it.
Well,
Right there.
yeah, and then down like my thigh.
Okay. Okay. Does it go past your knee?
No.
Gotcha. All right. Well, let's start. We should start with your mid back. Yes. That was it. And gonna do some muscle work and work on your SI joints and your glutes. All this started like when you had your baby then, or after your baby?
Yeah, after.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, women do have a lot more to deal with in terms of pregnancy and stuff. Guys have it easy. Okay.
I won't argue.
Yeah. Let's lay on your side, this side up. So we get the sympathy weight, and you guys can gain the sympathy weight. Let's see, come over here. Just like that, just like that. Just bring it down. Okay. Come on. Just let it go. Gotcha. All right, lay face up. We got C5 with a C2 usually. Here, look to the left. All right, that will do it. It'll
All
move,
right.
move great. So we're just hitting those big spots and just get some movement in there and allow you to heal. Okay. All right, you have a good one.
Thank you.